are going to this searching bar.
We typed in tineye.com.
So you go to upload. The image that you got is image A for group A. Then you open. Then it's going to load.
With Tineye, we had just one result. So we went to our results, or to the image we got.
We went to compare.
Our image was showing it is Noop Medical Hospital Busabala.
But the actual image shows Haydon Latham Hospital.
Everything else is the same, apart from here they put some trees. The ambulance is the same, the building is the same, only that they cropped it to make it appear that the building starts from here, but the building was extending to the other side. So we concluded that this Noop Medical Hospital was fake image.